3D view,
Sprinkler system.
the working,
Okay.
so we can mesh this as we want, and this is going to be a 3D sprinkler, 3D first floor sprinkler. Oh crap, floor sprinkler. Okay, so I'm going to make an I select all my elements. I'm going to have an I want to see. I cannot see my section box. I cannot move it because here in the VG section box.
Why BG always like when you create a view, a template view always is like a, some stuff is turned off and in that way. Why that happen?
Um, well, some options vary from depending on the template that you have on the discipline that you are working with.
Okay.
So it goes to the default options. So it's
Uh,
recommendable when you create a 3D vision uh, to work with visibility graphics, and if you uh, I recommend also create view templates. So let's create a view template that's going to work with our sprinkler systems. I'm going to
sure.
create a view template because I just made the 3D vision of the first floor. I'm going to duplicate and I'm going to make the same one, but it's going to be for the second floor. And I will apply the view template, so I will save some time. By applying the view template, I will no longer be required to adjust all the elements that I wanted to see.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay, so we can see here that we have the sprinklers, right? And they have connectors where I can draw my pipes. Okay, so as we are working with pipes, we have to work with with three visions. So I would like you to can you create a section view here?
Sure. I think we don't need this one, right?
Yes, yes.
We need.
Okay, this is the 3D working. We can mess with this one, but this is going to be on our sheets. So we are going to close this one.
Got it.
I'm going to duplicate this because we already apply a lot of changes. I'm going to erase the working view and this sprinkler view. I'm going to name it 3D working sprinkler. Okay, so we are here. Okay, this section I'm going to it's too much height, so I would like to let's create a view template. In this section I'm going to type VG and I select all the elements that I don't want to see. For example, I don't want to see lighting devices, Dining devices. I don't want to see HV. I don't want to see furniture. I don't want to see none of the map fabrication. I don't want to see mechanical, medical. I want to see pipe accessories and pipe fittings. I want to see everything related to pipes, but I don't want to see plumbing fixtures. Okay. I don't want to see spaces. I want to see sprinkles. I don't want to see nothing related to structural yet, neither telephone or temporary. I want to see walls. I don't want to see windows, but because I don't care. Doors also. I don't want to see doors. Neither conduits. I want to see ceilings. Okay. Okay, hit apply, hit OK. So we only see sprinklers. Even I don't want to see these panels.
Got it.
Electrical equipment and electrical fixtures, I don't want to see any of them. Okay, so I have this configuration, but also I want to see on fine detail and inconsistent colors. So I want to save these configurations as a template. I'm going to create a template from the current view. I'm going to name it sprinkler.
Sprinkler view.
Yeah, sprinkler view. I'm gonna hit OK. Okay. I created that view template, but now I need to apply it. So I'm going to none, sprinkler view, apply, OK. I'm gonna do the same here. Ceiling plans all, sprinkler view, apply, OK. And here the same. You will see how it works. I see a lot of things that I don't care because I
Mm-hmm.
only want to see a sprinkler. So
Our sprinkler, yeah.
yeah, so I will apply sprinkler view, hit apply, hit OK, and the only thing that I am able to see are the sprinklers.
Our sprinkler. That's it.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Now we need to create the piping. It is going to connect and is going to nourish all of these sprinklers. It's the same. Uh, Here I put my mouse over the connector, hit right click and drop pipe. And I drop a pipe that is going to go up and oh, it's going to go this way. So let's say that I want to connect this these sprinklers to this pipe. I can select, and if you see this option you can use it. It's connect into. Revit already selects this device and is going to ask you where do you want to connect. I want to connect here, and it automatically creates the
The
elbow,
T.
the
Oh,
T. And this is a very quick option because you can go here. Now you do it. Connect these two into the main pipe.
okay, that one.
Also check when you make a selection. Check the number of items that you are selecting with, and also check it here in your view. In
Mm-hmm.
here, from this perspective, it might seem that you are only working with two sprinklers, but here you see in blue that you had six, and here also showed you that you have six. What you can do also, it's here.
Yeah, how you can select the both.
Yes, we have to work here. We have to think in three dimensions. Where is okay? Try to get used to work like this. Okay, I am standing here and watching here. So if I select this item, I can see that it's on blue.
Okay.
So I can select how many are they connected. Let me check. Is this connected? Yes. Okay. So I can select these two items here. Oh crap! Can you select these two items?
And that one and that one.
These two sprinklers. Uh, they move it. I think my AnyDesk is failing. I'm going to close it and send you another request. Give me a second.
Gotcha. Gotcha, please.
Okay, I'm gonna close and I'm going to send you another request. It's not connecting. I think I know why it's not connecting.
I don't know. It's like
Yeah, it's not
the
selecting, right?
yeah. It's like it doesn't. I don't know. It's too heavy or something, but it's not like a showing the info at the right time. It's
Yes.
like the Revit has a delay. I don't know if you want to close and open again, maybe.
Yes, yes. Let's do that. Save and close and open again.
Yeah, it was running crazy. Like, what happened with that? Okay, let's close. Um, okay, let me get a little water.
Sure.
Gotcha. Got it. I'll be
Yes. Okay. It was failing because when I select the section view some moments ago, it didn't show up this. Now it's showing. Okay, so
gotcha.
you had to take in consideration that the section views, you had to take this depth in consideration. When you select an item, probably you're selecting the third one on this roof, on this row.
Uh huh.
From here, it seems that you are selecting only one, right? But you don't know if you are selecting this one, as a matter of fact,
Okay.
or this one. So, always when you have the section view, play with this. I'm going to define this depth.
Oh, that makes a sense. Yeah.
Yes. So you remember early on we when you made this operation,
Mm-hmm.
it selected 9 and 10.
Seats. Yeah.
Now it selected 3. That's bless you. That's
Thanks.
okay. That's why. So what is this option? Create options and comparison system. Okay. No, we're not going to. I select and I connect into. Okay. So this option it's individually. It
One
doesn't
by
work.
one, right?
Yes, one by one. But you always can apply shortcuts. Can you type KS as in key short and let's search connect into.
By connector, no?
Yes. Now assign any shortcut that you want.
Um, let's see PB.
O- for the key short. I thought you were asking time to go to the bathroom.
No, no, no.
Okay, PP. I think it's for piping.
Okay,
I would suggest something like with the initials like CI
connection. Okay,
because it's like a memo technician operation. It will be easy to remember.
okay.
Assign, and hit OK, and use the shortcut to connect those items. Okay, I'll select the sprinkler and connect it into the main pipe. CI and select. CI and select. CI and click on the main pipe. Okay, now that one. CI. Okay, awesome. Now, now we have this we have this we are missing one here. We have to connect all one. So extend the pipe
Can
until
I do no, it's okay.
you can also do the following thing. You can draw a pipe and all those sprinklers that are going to be connected, and copy the whole system, the sprinklers and the main pipe, and duplicate it.
Can you show me that?
Okay, let's see. I select here. I'm going to select here, and I'm going to extend this. Oh crap! Draw a pipe. I'm going to draw a pipe. Let's say here, and in this vision, I'm going to connect the fastest I can. CI connecting to here.
Okay, gotcha. I
Connect.
saw you was trying to do something.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Let me finish, and I will show you.
Okay.
Oh crap! No, 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 no.
No,
Cancel.
chill.
Connecting to here. Connecting to here. And connecting to here. Okay, now I have this pipe. Let's suppose that I don't have these ones, right? I can select all of these elements and make even and I can make two things: an array or a copy. Let's make an array command. I want two. This is going to be the first one.
Why when you press two only create one?
Because that counts the total number of how many of these do you want. It's not like I want. Revit understands that you want to have two of these items as a final result. It's not asking you how many copies do you want.
Okay.
Is the total. It also includes the one that you are copying. So
So
I'm going to tell them I want three here, and I want my last one here. And you see I have three. Let's erase to see if I don't have duplicated
okay, three,
elements.
but it's counting the first one that you are
Yes,
copying, right? The origin.
yes.
Okay.
So I would like you to do the same to practice the speed. Okay, make it as fast as possible. Use the shortcut.
Sure.
CI.
Okay. Let's delete all of this. Here we go.
Okay. Now you have three different systems. Let's divide it into two systems. Can you eliminate this pipe and make a main pipe that is going to connect both of these systems?
Okay, let me try to do that. So you want to delete that one. Okay. And you want to bring a main one from here.
Yes, a main one, but that main one needs to be bigger, thicker. So
And you want to bring just here in the middle.
yes, so select a pipe, then make um, okay.
Well, I only have three.
Try to use the same as was used here. Oh, so I am selecting this. It's a PVC.
PVC. Okay.
I'm going to create similar, and here I can play with the diameter. So Let's make a 1 and oh crap. Okay, can you draw?
Yeah. So let me repeat this. Okay, so that one, create similar. Let's put in two. Let's see.
Okay, that's awesome. Okay,
Got it.
so now go to your section view because you will need to connect. Well, we can do another thing here. I can create similar, and I'm telling Revit I want to one that is going to burn from here to here, and it will automatically create. Oh crap! Well, it's not doing the same. How we can do create similar. Let's check if I can make this. Okay. Do you remember?
Yeah.
Oh, the content was not defined to routing preference, please. Okay, what this message is telling me. The converted fitting was not defined in the routing preference. Please assign the one on the connected curve types. Okay, so I have to select the family and the routing preferences. I see what is going on. Revit, what I just tried to do is to make a cross, but Revit tells me, hey, you don't have a default
Family
option
cross.
as a cross. So I'm going to PVC. Let's use this generic standard and use the minimum size that is going to work with. It's all. I'm gonna hit OK, hit apply, hit OK. So let's try this one more time. Oh crap! Wait, Control C, Control C. Okay. Okay, now I have my cross.
There we go.
Okay, now I can go here and draw pipe and connect. Okay, now connect work with your section view. It seems that you're going to place your section view here. Okay, we are here, right? And you need to select this pipe, draw pipe, and connect it to this point. It automatically is going to put this reduction. Not do the
That
same
is
here.
that is beautiful. Really.
Yes, that's the good thing about the routing preferences.
Is it no? It's wrong, right? Let me do. Okay.
Well, it's not
Oh,
wrong, but
right. But let's be
do
consistent.
do it the same way. Yeah, okay. Draw pipe. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Now move your section view. Yeah, okay. That's okay. Now move your section view to the next point. Be careful with the depthness of the section view because you will see two rows of pipes. That's
Hmm.
perfect. Create similar. Okay. Now remember, you have to transform that T to a cross. So select it, click, hit the plus sign. Okay, now you have the cross, draw pipe. Okay, now in your section view. Okay. Okay, so I think that this part, uh, we don't need it anymore. We can erase it. We select and hit the minus sign. Okay. Now we have this is one distance, another distance, and another distance. We can make the align. Type AL, and you can
Okay.
hit here and use multiple alignment. So click that option. Okay, now go to your pipe and select
Okay.
for
What is gonna?
select a face. We're going to we're going to tell Revit I want all my reductions to be in the same distance. So we select this one and it's okay. And we select this one and it's more beautiful because you have the same distance here. It's not like this is
Yeah.
bigger, this is longer.
It's really symmetric.
Yes.
Yeah.
So do the same here.
Gotcha. And how you do when this one and this one is different too? You can do the same,
Uh, you can measure the distance. Hit
and that's it,
DI.
right?
Yes. Press DI
Um,
as in distance. Now select. Okay. And we have 1 foot. Okay. Now measure
and here,
distance and measure.
what is the distance here, Sergio?
DI or here's the tool. And we have a little it's 1 foot. Okay, so click anywhere. You can type select that actual value. Okay. Let's see that you want to make this distance 1 foot exactly. So you have to select this one and put it and move it with the keyword arrows. Or we can do the following. We can type MB and we are telling Revit from this distance to here I want 1 foot. Enter. Oh crap. Alright, let me do it again. MV. Shit. MV from here to here. You can okay. You have to put the snap. What the hell is going on? Okay, so it seems that it wants to snap and jump to this sprinkler. So we're going to make a trick. I'm going to make a detail line. This detail line, it's an annotation that I only will see here in this view. It's not going
Mm-hmm.
to duplicate it any view. So I'm going to uh, make an offset of one floor. I will select this one, and I have here my detail view. It's very little, it's very, oh crap, it's very teeny tiny. So I will align AL. This is going to be the master and this is going to be the slave. Okay, so
Oh,
we
that
have,
one is a good one.
yes, but remember to erase the detail line because otherwise your drawing is going to be very, it's going to have a lot of lines.
Lines and stuff. Yeah.
Yes,
Can we repeat this again? Let me try it. Okay. Let's see. Let's see that one is here.
you have to pick the correct element. Yes. Okay, it's connected. Do
Okay. So
go
you
ahead.
went to. Okay. You went to architecture. No. Annotate.
Annotation, detail line. No, it's on the right. Yes. No.
And then here.
Yes. You're going to pick line, and then you're going to define an offset. In this
Okay.
part,
You.
in the offset, specify the
Oh,
distance.
coming to this side. You see?
Yes. Yes, it went to, yeah. Erase it. Erase that detail line. So go detail line. Select the pick line. Establish an offset of 1. And remember the position of the mouse, it defines where the detail line is going to be. Okay, can you see that dotted line?
Oh yeah. It's here, right?
Yes, yes, correct. That's awesome.
Beautiful.
Okay, now enlarge it because when you're going to make the align, you won't be able to see the detail line. So stretch it. Perfect. Now make the AL. Select the master. Now select the slave.
Here we go.
Yes,
That's
now
amazing.
erase.
I'm pretty sure that that is one of the tools that you wanna use a lot.
Yes, yes. Okay, now we have this sprinkler system. Now align the rest of the reduction fixtures.
Beautiful.
Okay. Okay, now we have this sprinkler system. It's the same here. You can copy the elements and make the route. So let's suppose in the NFPA 13 code, I don't remember clearly how or in which circumstances your piping fixture needs isolation. Well, the isolation you can add it here. You can
Okay.
so this way Revit is going to keep some of the temperature and sizing properties. Let's suppose that we are here in that we are in New York and it's very cold and we need to add isolation. When I make click here, I can define the type of isolation that I'm going to use. It's going to be either fiberglass or PVC. Let's use fiberglass, and the thickness is going to be a thickness of 1 inch. So I see that this, it gets bigger, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah.
by doing that, you can add the insulation to your pipes. Let's see that we want to add an insulation to all this system.
System.
We can
Mm-hmm.
press tab, and check the whole system. Okay, it's the same. It's the same dynamic here. When you select a system, you can go to pipe systems and define which system selector is going to be this on. Also, you can edit the system and add new sprinklers to the system. So this is how it works. Now, related to to the piping, there is the slope. Well, the slope, it's is the angle that Revit is going to use. Let's create a pipe so you can see it. So you can see how the slope works. I'm going to put it here. Oh crap. Okay. I'm going to create another pipe. I can here I can define the slope that I'm going to have. I can either this slope can be up or can be down.
Oh wow.
Let's suppose that the main pipe is here, and I'm going to put the slope going down to this part of the building. So I select that is going down, and I select here the value. So when I draw my pipe, the distance, the initial distance and the final distance are going to be both different, because I have, where is, okay, you see here there is a little difference, right? I'm going to create
From
another,
the elevation.
yes, I'm going to create another pipe with a more more pronunciated slope. What I'm doing, I'm going to create similar, the slope down, and it's going to be a very pronunciated slope. You
Here
see
we
here?
go. Yeah.
Yes. Well, so when I select here in my properties, I can check the difference. The top elevation, this part is it's 8 feet, and the final one it's 7 feet. 7 feet. Doing that, this is the tricky part, because when you're working with elevation and slopes, it it can get, I'm not gonna say ugly, but it can get really tricky. You only in this case you will be working a lot with the 3D view. Let's suppose that I have to draw a pipe that is going to go down here. Okay, none of the selected elements are visible. Okay, I don't care. I can't see any of the this pipe here because my view range it's now out of sight.
Mm-hmm.
It's too low. So this is where I can work with my 3D view. So you can create here. Let's suppose that we have to go further in this wall. I had to press shift.
To work in 90 degrees, right?
Yes. And by doing that, I will I will be sure that I am making a snap in that horizontal axis. So that's how the slopes works. Well, we will practice this more in the future because you will need it when you are making plumbing designs. But I wanted
Yeah.
to show you how it works. So now we have the plumb. Now we have the plumbing, the sprinkler
System.
system.
Hmm.
We can create. Where is this working? Okay, ceiling plans. Ceiling plans. The discipline. It's. I don't like that the plumbing is. This view is not in sprinkler, so I'm going to change. Sprinkler view. Subdiscipline is going to be a sprinkler. Sprinklers. Hit apply. Hit OK. Okay, now everything is good. So we know how to make the sprinklers. Now we gotta make the the fire alarm system. We gotta go
Nice.
back to electrical. I'm gonna close my inactive views. Oh crap! That view, close inactive. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna save. Okay. So now I need to create. I'm going to duplicate this view because I'm gonna put all the smoke detectors and fire alarms. So I'm going to duplicate this view with detailing. But the
And
sprinkler,
then.
yes, I'm gonna put it in none because I wanna change the discipline and subdiscipline.
Hmm.
Hit apply, hit OK. The discipline is not going to be plumbing because fire alarm it's an electrical, and the subdiscipline is going to be fire alarm. I will hit apply, and I see that I have a new discipline, fire alarm. Okay, I'm gonna close the inactive views. Now I'm gonna create an view template. It's gonna be very similar to this one. I'm gonna copy and fire alarm view. I'm gonna hit OK, and here I want to check. I want to see the fire alarm devices, the fire protection. I will need to see some electrical equipment and electrical
Wait.
fittings. Maybe some lighting devices because we might want to put some lights, that red light like the police. Hit apply, hit OK, hit apply, hit OK. Okay, but I don't want to see. I don't want to see. Oh crap! Where is it? Fire alarm view. I don't want to see the sprinklers yet. I don't want to see the sprinklers or the plumbing fixtures. I don't want to see the pipe isolations, pipe fittings, pipe
Feeding
accessories,
plants.
plate holders, pipes. Hit apply. Hit OK. Okay. Hit apply. Hit OK. Okay. Here I need to work with the hide elements tool. You hide all the lighting fixtures.
You wanna hide the old features?
Yes, all the lighting fixtures.
Mm,
Make a big selection and work with filters.
okay.
Go to filter, make sure, okay, you have lighting fixtures, okay. Now type EH.
Got it.
Okay, they are hidden. They are not erased, but hidden. So go to system. Now in okay, we have to search in lighting fixture. Oh crap! In lighting fixtures. Where is it? In devices here. Fire alarm. It's going to ask you. You don't have fire alarm devices. Would you like to load one? We have to go fire protection, accessories. Okay, we're going to write. We're going to load all of these elements, these families, into our Revit project.
Okay.
So we have some switch, some duct heat detectors. Okay, where is this? Okay, let's open this one. So all the files you select cannot be loaded. You must choose family files in the category fire alarm devices. Fire alarm devices. Fire protection. Connections. Fire department to connection. Fire alarm device. Fire alarm device. Maybe it's on electrical. NEP. Connectors. No.
It's not there.
Carrying connection, sprinkles, bulbs. Accessories. How can I see? Flow detector. Let's open. It's gonna show me the same. So all the families selected cannot be loaded. You must choose family files of the category fire alarm device. Let me go where is the fire alarm devices? Revit location. Okay, give me a second.
Don't worry.
I want to start modeling map and natural style. Autodesk libraries using period because this will manufacture crap. Okay, let me see if I can pass you some fire alarm devices. Okay, let me go to my server. Fire alarm systems, tutorial. Okay. Let's try to
Yeah.
load the fire alarm devices. Smoke detector. This is gonna work with ducts only. Oh crap.
Look this info that I find here. Let me show you.
I want to know where the fire alarm devices are located.
Look, is this sign right? I think so.
Okay.
So they say go to
Okay, that's working with the category restrictions. Con the family was used to insert the family. Okay. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's try that. Let's load not by category,
Ah,
but by families. Okay, we're going to go to insert, load family. We're going to load all of the fire alarm devices.
nice.
Okay,
It's
nice.
like the switch option.
Yes,
You have to do different. It's not like
yes. Okay, this is the copy of sprinklers. Oh, this is in the wrong discipline. Fire alarm view. We forgot to change that because we are in plumbing discipline.
oh,
Fire
funny
alarm
enough.
view discipline. It's going to be
Electrical.
okay. Let me double check. Electrical, electrical. I think I've already created one. Well, okay. Fire alarm. Hit apply. Hit OK. Okay,
Here we go.
we are good. So let's keep loading families. This is the accessories, cabinets. These are the cabinets. You see that cabinet with the hose on? This is the
Okay.
family. Gonna hit open. It's gonna take some time to it loads into the project. All the families that you put inside your project are going to be here under families. You will see that here you have the different sprinkler families and fire. Where are? Okay, let's keep loading. Cabinets, connections, fire department. Well, this is. Let's grab everything. Open. Okay. Oh my god, please, please, please. Okay, save. Okay. Sprinklers, we already have the sprinklers by pendants. Dry horizontal, okay. Oh, it's not.
The issue is my PC. It's not that.
Okay. Can you click open? Override the existing version. Override. The second one,
It
the second one, the one that is below. Yes. Yes. Okay. Now let's see if we have some. If it's not the case, I will have to search some families to pass you. Okay, we have to go to system, device, fire alarm. Oh crap. Family.
really.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Fire alarm devices. Where are located the fire alarm devices?
Maybe one has to close and open again. Do you think?
Maybe, maybe. Let's do that.
Gotcha. Let me.
check here. Okay, it's making an upgrade. Okay, so it's in electrical equipment on the right part. Yes. But you are look, you are putting an Ethernet switch. It's not an electrical panel.
Down, right?
Lighting and applied lightings, an appliance panel board. Okay. No, no, no. It's yeah. That's a panel. It needs to be on a wall.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's the same. None of the in the RCP.
Mm-hmm.
First, check that you can see the electrical equipments in that view. It seems that that is the panel that you just put.
And what is that?
It's the same. It's
There's
a
another.
panel that you put just a few moments ago, but you cannot see it here. But first, verify that you can see electrical equipment. I mean, we can go here in view and modify this view template. Manage view templates, fire alarm view. We're going to see the models and we are going to look for electrical equipment. Okay, it's checked.
Okay, so
So we,
everything is about view range, right?
yes, yes. I will say put it in a next to the same height. You can just move it until you see it here. Okay, there you go. Now you
Gotcha.
can check it. Okay, so this is going to be the, let's name this panel fire alarm. Hit apply. Okay. Now let's connect this create fire alarm circuit. Select a panel. Oh no, 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 no. I am doing the things wrong. Electrical circuits. Oh crap, why? Let me check. Maybe the this type of panel is has to be different.
Yeah, because that one say MLO. I don't know. I don't understand why. I think the before one doesn't say like that.
Alarm pressure switch, Ben Bolter. No, no, no. Select panel. Let's check. Cannot assign fire alarm to circuit. The type of the panel does not match the type fire alarm. Okay, I gotta reveal this one. Alarm panel.
Got it. Sergio, you want? Let's um let's cut here for today,
Okay,
and we can check tomorrow better. You want?
okay, okay.